What is the 20th term of the sequence 3, 6, 9, 12, 15? Is it letter A, 54, B, 57, C, 60, or letter D, 63? What is your answer? So in order for you to answer this particular question correctly and directly, all you just need to do is to be familiar with the concept of arithmetic sequence. So there is actually a formula in order for you to solve the nth term of a particular arithmetic sequence directly. So here is the formula. The formula is a sub n equals a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d, where n is the number of terms, a sub 1 is the first term, and d is the common difference. So basically, these are just the things that you must be familiar with in solving arithmetic sequence problem. So going back to our question, what is the 20th term of the sequence 3, 6, 9, 12? So all we just need to do to answer this is to use the formula a sub n equals a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. So what is a sub n? So a sub in here, so ang n dani is the n term that you are going to find. So it's 20th term man, so a sub n would be 20 or a sub 20. So may mo siyang a sub 20. So mo ni ang the nth term or kung ikapila nga term ang imong gipangita. And then, a sub 1 is 3. So that's the first term. May gingon, a sub 1 is the first term and 3 here is the first term of this sequence. And then, copy this one. So plus n minus 1. So n is 20 minus 1. And then d is the common difference. So how are you going to find the common difference? All you just need to do is just to subtract any two consecutive terms. So just like this. So you subtract na nimo. So 6 minus 3, that's 3. 9 minus 6, that's 3. 12 minus 9, that's 3. 15 minus 12, that's 3. So pasabot, their common difference is 3. And then, you just have to simplify this equation. So a sub 20, copy that, equals 3 plus 20 minus 1, that's 19, and then times 3. So all we just need to do here is to simplify this multiplication first before we add 3, because that's the GEMDAS rule. So a sub 20 equals 3 plus 19 times 3, that's 57. And then simplify it further. So 3 plus 57, that's 60. So therefore, a sub 20 equals 60. So therefore, the answer for the question of the day is letter C, 60. Alright? Now let's have more examples for you to understand this concept better. So what about this one? What is the 50th term of the sequence 10, 15, 20, 25? So here's the thing. This is why memorizing the arithmetic sequence is better, or it will definitely help you in solving such question, because what if the number of term or the nth term being asked is too much or dako ra siya og value, just like this 50, o lisod pod og imong manumanuhon. Actually, arithmetic sequence can be solved manually, so binan na nimog manumanuhon. Pero the bad thing about it is that if the number or the nth term to be solved or to be found is very large, so just like this 50, dako na siya, so madugay na kaog solve ana. So that's why this is really important. Memorizing this formula is really important, as it will help you in solving a particular question quickly. Alright? Especially kung mo-take mo og mga test. So, di ba, ang test kay timed man siya. So, you really have to be familiar of this formula para mas dali nimo siyang ma-solve. So, solution, a sub n equals a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. So, a sub n is, ang atang gipangita is 50th term man. So, a sub 50. So, may muning a sub 50. And then, a sub 1, so the first term is 10. And then plus 50 minus 1. So, n is 50. Kay maoy, gipangita nato. And then, the common difference. So, mag-subtract na any of the two consecutive terms. So, 25 minus 20, that's 5. Para na po na 20 minus 15, that's 5. 15 minus 10, that's 5. So, therefore, the common difference is 5. And then, just simplify this further. So, a sub 50 equals 10 plus 50 minus 1, that's 49. And then, copy 5. So, times 5. So, let's simplify this further. So, this becomes a sub 50 equals 10 plus 49 times 5, that's 245. And then, Simplify this further na sad. So a sub 50 equals 10 plus 245. That's 255. So therefore, a sub 50 equals 255. And this is the answer for this particular example, alright? Now what about this one? Let's have one more example. What is the 100th term or 100th term of the sequence 50, 43, 36, 29? So again, just use the formula. A sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. And then a sub n, so a sub 100 because that's the number or the order of the term which we need to find. And then a sub 1, that's 50 plus n minus 1, so 100 minus 1 times the common difference. So sa may common difference sila ani, so 50 na himong 43, na himong 36, na himong 29. So imo ra na silang ipang subtract. So 29 minus 36, that's negative 7. 36 minus 43, that's negative 7. 43 minus 50, that's negative 7. So therefore, the common difference is negative 7. Alright? So you really have to be aware of this, ha? So be careful on this part. So dapat ang pag-subtract from right to left. Dili pwede from left to right. Alright? Now, what about that? Let's copy a sub 100 equals 50 plus 100 minus 1, that's 99 times negative 7. And then, copy, so a sub 100 equals 50 plus 99 times negative 7, that's negative 693. And then simplify this further, so a sub 100 equals 50 plus negative 693, that's negative 643. So therefore, the 100th term of the sequence 50, 43, 36, 29, is negative 643. So this is the answer for this particular example, right? Now this time, I want you to try this one. So try to answer this question. What is the 30th term of the sequence 20, 17, 14, 11, 8, So try to answer this question and you may comment your answer in the comment section below. That's all for now. Thank you, more power, and let's keep learning.